Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Ableton Live 12 Suite full version on your Mac M1, M2, Intel and Windows PC. So I got my download from salonplugins.com. This is one of the best websites since 2017. They're offering the best VST plugins, DAWs, sample packs, contact libraries, everything, and they got 24/7 live chat support. And trust me guys, I personally use this website for a really long time now. So once you purchase from the salonplugins.com, you're gonna get the two files, one of them for the Ableton and the another one the Ableton Live Suite packs. That is around 46 gigabytes. So let's get started with the installing Ableton Live 12. So it's really pretty simple. Just drag and drop the Ableton Live 12 Suite into the applications folder. Alright, so once it's done, simply go to the license file, right click on the license file, open with the Ableton Live 12 Suite. Hit on open. Alright, there we go. We got our license activated for the lifetime. And now let's check the Ableton Live packs here. So we got tons of the live packs in here. We got this with our Ableton Live 12 Suite. So how do we install the packs? Simply open the Ableton. And now simply choose some of the packs you wish to install in Ableton and just drag and drop into the Ableton. There we go. Alright, there we go. So if you wish to install all of the packs, you can simply select all of them and just drag and drop into the Ableton 12. So pretty simple. And once there's a new feature free update, for that you need to go to the website and you can simply go to the customer portal and download the feature free updates. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.